Respeecher.
Respeecher presents Ethics in AI, series of videos on ethical aspects of artificial intelligence. In our first episode, Respeecher's CTO will discuss the possibility of Gen AI replacing humans. We'll start with what generative AI is and what it's capable of.
What's generative AI? Well, generative AI is a lot of different things right now, but of course, one of the most interesting aspects of generative AI is the ability to create content that looks and sounds and feels like something that was made by humans. Like it can write poems, it can generate images, it can synthesize all sorts of different texts, it can compose music, and also, of course, it can create audio that sounds like a real human voice. And this is something that Respeecher has been working on for the last several years. So our main goal is to empower voice professionals and voice actors to be able to scale their voice, to have the ability to be at multiple places at the same time. And it is, of course, extremely important for the voice actors to have the ability to control A, who uses their voice, and B, what their voice is used for. So as long as they have these controls, it's a great tool that makes them more productive, that lets them, monetize their voice better, and that just opens up new creative possibilities for them.
Why must we control the data generative AI is trained on?
Generative AI is a really good impersonator, right? And therefore it is, of course, very important to be careful about what kind of data it's being trained on. Because otherwise, of course, if you let anyone speak with anyone's voice, people will start abusing it. And there's already been a bunch of examples like this of people using products from unethical companies to create things like, button robocalls and stuff like that. And of course, it's not just about sticking to the law, right? It's about respecting people and what fundamentally belongs to them, especially for voice actors. The voice is their most important thing, right? Apart from their acting skills, voice is the second most important thing or for some people, even the first most important thing that makes their living.
Will generative AI replace humans?
I don't really think generative AI will replace humans. Look, will it take some jobs? Well, probably. It's already taking a bunch of jobs. But those are typically boring jobs that people don't want to do in the first place, right? Because inherently, generative AI is designed to assist, not replace humans, right? It's a creative tool. It's something that lets people do more and be more productive and be at, multiple different places at the same time. Like, again, our technology helps voice actors extend their abilities, take on more projects, and find new ways to monetize their voice. So I really believe that human creativity and emotion and like a general high-level world experience will have to remain central to any kind of meaningful creative work, and AI will remain this really nice tool, but again, it's going to be just a tool in human hands for probably a very long time.